So next up, guys, got a day cab truck here. It's a 2016 International Prostar day cab. This is coming in from a local dealership. They took it in on trade. They bring us a lot of their trade-ins to send straight to auction. It passed their pre-trade inspection. This truck's got like 847,000 miles. Got a Cummins ISX 15, 400 horse diesel, Eaton Fuller 10-speed manual, 22,000 hours maybe. 170-inch wheelbase. Yeah, truck starts right up, goes forward, reverse. They drove it in from about 45 miles away and didn't say anything about how it drove here negatively, I guess. So air ride suspension, sliding fifth wheel. Truck starts right up, like I said, forward, reverse, all of that stuff. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up. He's gonna get you a nice demo. This would have been fleet maintained, coming in from a big company. That's traded in, they bought a brand new one. So. It's a good, honest truck there, guys. Little demo on it, forward, reverse, all that stuff. So there's the demo, 2016 International Prostar day cab. Give the guys auction time at Old 20 Auctions.